I'm Sujiva Setunga. I'm a professor of civil engineering at RMIT. I'm also the director of Industrial Transformation Research Hub on transformation of reclaimed waste resources to engineered materials and solutions for a circular economy. It's a long name, we call it TREMS Hub. So the problem we are solving is ensuring that the waste that's created from different sources do not end up in landfill, that we do recycle or upcycle or design the waste out to ensure that the world is moving towards a circular economy.
So what we are doing is to really take that waste out of the landfill and converting into valuable products.
We brought the industry sectors together and talked about all these waste-derived materials we create and the need for a mechanism to translate this into practice. So what we heard from partners is that technology is not the problem. Acceptance of technologies and the pathway for that acceptance is the major problem. How do we change behaviors to enable this acceptance of these new solutions on one hand, on the other hand to minimize contamination of the waste at the source so that you can actually use clean materials for new products.
Our findings show that while councils are increasingly aware of sustainability, many policies still lack clarity, structure and actionable detail. One key issue is that councils tend to focus on short-term costs instead of recognizing the long-term financial and environmental benefits of sustainable procurement.
So we are helping to develop some standards and also some specifications, handbooks, and also so that will help the industry as well as the government organizations.
So they were identified as a need, and of course the policy and regulations and how we influence the creators of policy and practice is found to be one of the major areas. The other aspect is the consumer. So whatever we create is not used at all if the consumer does not buy in to the solution. So for this we had to bring support and expertise from our social scientists who can actually assist us in identifying what's the pathway to creation of behavior change. How do we change behaviors to enable this acceptance of these new solutions on one hand, on the other hand to minimize contamination of the waste at the source so that you can actually use clean materials for new products. Now the Hub program consists of 5 major themes. First theme is social change. So the second major theme of the Hub is optimized processing. And then the third theme of the Hub is developing solutions, products. Our fourth theme is creating the evidence base so that solutions that we develop can be translated into practice. So for the construction industry, this is a very important aspect. You need field trials which are monitored and then which leads to creation of the evidence base. So once you have an evidence base, you can actually create specifications which can change the design guidelines and also tender specifications. Then our fifth theme, which covers across all 4 themes, is the tools and technologies. So tools include smart tracking, artificial intelligence driven sorting methods, robotics, and predictive modeling capability, computational modeling capability to minimize the experimentation and deliver scientific solutions with minimum effort. The Hub is at this exciting stage of halfway mark, and we have over 40 projects currently undertaken within the Hub in partnership with more than 36 industry partners, 9 Australian universities, 4 international universities, and we do have about 29 PhD candidates currently being trained within the Hub with opportunities for internships, placements within the partners, and also having that experience of research translation. So when you develop a solution, how can it be translated into practice? In one discipline alone, you cannot achieve the solution we expect. So what we ended up doing is creating a comprehensive research program which integrates all the different types of discipline areas we require to address the solution. We call it TREMS Hub.